Who was the first person? Who was the first person to win 2 acting Golden Globes in the same year? Who was the first person to win 2 acting Golden Globes in the same year? Now I'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options do you think is the correct answer for the question, and here is the list of the option. The first option is Meryl Streep. Second option is Helen Mirren. The third option is Kate Winslet. And the last option is Sigourney Weaver. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And now let me give you the correct answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is Sigourney Weaver. So that's the answer for the question, Sigourney Weaver. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click this subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friends, just go ahead, click this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye.